Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement receiver in a 2017 to 2020 Holden RG Colorado. So first off, click on the vehicle button and then go to the radio tile. This will then begin loading in the available options, or will display the licensing screen if you haven't licensed already. Once it's loaded in, we'll have our two options, flashing and learn functions. We're first going to start off with the learn functions, and we're going to do the VIN security links so that we can get rid of this theft locked warning on the screen. We'll see here it's quite fast and the screen will then boot up and we're good to go. We're then going to click OK and head over to the flashing. Again, once you have a battery maintainer fitted, we'll go ahead and we're going to click write. This will begin downloading the required files for this module for this vehicle and then begin the flashing sequence. This would ensure that this receiver is set up specifically to suit that car's audio setup, and it's important that you do complete this. Only takes a few seconds to complete as well. Once it's done, we'll get to our finalization flash routine. We'll see the screen, we'll do a quick little reboot, and that's then all completed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.